Want to create this cool intro? Let me show you how you can do it in CapCut PC. What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make the intro that you just watched at the beginning of the video. So first of all, what you need a video background like this one. I got this one from Pexel, and you need a white background. Then what we want to do is to drag the white background to the timeline so we can make the text part of our intro. Then we're gonna add text above it and match the duration, and you want to make the text green. After, you can personalize it how you want. I will use Montserrat, and for the text I will write summer and make it bigger. And now what you want to do is to choose an animation. For this tutorial I will use this blur animation and make it a little bit longer, like 1.5 seconds. Now our clip looks like this. Then we want to increase the duration of the video to like 6 seconds. And we want to create a compound clip. To do that, you have to select the text and the background and right click on them. And you have the option to create a compound clip. The next step here is to add a chroma key to our compound clip. So we want to select it and go to video, then remove background and select chroma key. And for the color, you're gonna select the green part. We're gonna increase the intensity and the clean up edge a little bit, so all the green is removed, like so. Then what we want to do is to put the video background under it, and after we want to duplicate the compound clip and put it above. We're gonna hide for this moment this top compound clip, and for this one we're gonna go to video, then add mask, and we're gonna apply a mask. We're gonna use the split mask. We're gonna rotate it because we want this to be the bottom part of our intro, like so. We're gonna do the same and apply a mask for the top one, like so. And now if you unhide the compounds clip, you see that nothing happened. So what we want to do now is to start our transition, our split transition. So to do that, we're gonna add a keyframe where we want our split transition to start for each one of our compound clips, like so, exactly the same start. Then we want to go a little bit to the right and add again for each one a keyframe. Then what you want to do, for example, for the top part, we want to drag it till it left the video preview, like so. We're gonna copy this I number and we're gonna paste it with negative sign for the bottom part. And now the transition look like this. It's a little bit too fast. You can change that. You can play with the keyframes. But for now, I will let it this way. You can personalize it how you want and make it as fast as you want. This was the tutorials. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.